Google just turned Gemini Notebook into something that changes the entire research workflow for solo operators, and I am going to show you exactly how to use it to build client deliverables in under an hour. This used to take a full day of manual tab switching and source hunting. Now the tool does that part for you automatically. And at the very end, I am going to show you the one output format that makes your research look like a professional deliverable every single time. You are going to want to stick around for that. I'm Paul James. I help people use AI tools to make money without needing a full agency setup or a stack of monthly subscriptions. If you got value from this, drop a like and share it with someone who needs it. And if you want to understand the biggest mistake solo operators make when pricing their services, the one that kills deals before they even start. My The 435 Mistake course is linked in the description. Normally $197, but viewers of this video get it for under $30. That pricing is only there for people coming from this video, so grab it while it's showing. Drop a comment and let me know if you're heading over to take me up on that. I want to see who's in. Here is what changed. Google renamed notebooklm to Gemini Notebook and added new research and analysis capabilities that make the workflow far more autonomous than before. The big one. It now finds and organizes sources on its own. You describe what you need researched and it builds the source library for you. Before this update, you had to upload every PDF, every link, every document manually before asking a single question. That workflow killed momentum. Now you just tell it what you are researching and it handles the rest. And here is the thing. Most SEO platforms, the ones charging you $99 to $199 a month, exist to aggregate competitor data, pull keyword research, and organize it into something you can actually use. Gemini Notebook can now handle a huge part of that research and organization workflow if you already have access through Google's supported plans. Instead of manually hunting through sources and organizing everything yourself, the tool can help find, analyze, and structure the information for you. That is the subscription tax most people do not realize they are paying. A $199 monthly bill before you have closed your first client, just to have access to research tools that used to be the only option. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A $200 monthly bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That is exactly why tools like Gemini Notebook matter. They give solo operators the same leverage the expensive platforms do without the upfront cost. So let me show you how this actually works. I am calling this the self-building brief system. You are not building a research file anymore. You are describing an outcome and letting the tool construct the brief autonomously, then using that brief to create the actual client deliverable. Here is how you set it up. Open Gemini Notebook and create a new notebook. Instead of uploading sources first, just describe the research outcome you need in one sentence. Something like, build a 30-day SEO roadmap for a local roofing company that needs to rank in the map pack. The system reads that, searches for relevant public sources, gathers useful competitor information and industry research, then organizes what it finds into a structured brief you can actually use. If you have keyword or analytics data from another source, you can add that too and have Gemini analyze everything together. You can add your own sources on top of what it finds, a client's current website analytics, their existing content, photos of their storefront or service area. The tool merges everything together and answers questions by citing the exact sentence in the source material. That citation feature is what makes this usable for client work. You can trace every recommendation back to real data. Now here is where this gets actually useful for someone running SEO services. One research session, one clear outcome, competitor content, industry sources, technical considerations, and the client's own data can all be researched, analyzed, and structured into a 30-day roadmap. That analysis used to take a full day of manual competitor research and spreadsheet work. With Gemini Notebook, it takes under 2 hours and without adding another dedicated SEO research subscription to your stack. That is a $500 deliverable built on free infrastructure. Let's keep building. The second new feature is multi-format outputs. You can take that same research and turn it into structured reports, briefs, tables, presentations, and other client-ready assets. Instead of starting every deliverable from scratch, you're building from the same source-grounded research inside the notebook. Most SEO platforms lock output formats behind higher-tier plans. Here, you just ask for it in plain English and it generates it. The third piece is cloud computing per notebook. The tool can now execute code and run calculations on your source material. If you are pulling benchmark data or comparing conversion rates across competitors, it handles the math automatically. You do not need to export anything into a separate calculator or spreadsheet tool. Most people take what I just showed you and try to hand the raw research to a client. That is where it falls apart. There is one thing you have to handle first or it looks amateur. I am walking you through that right now. Think about a local HVAC company that wants to show up when someone searches for emergency furnace repair in their city. You create a Gemini notebook, describe the research outcome, competitive map pack analysis for emergency HVAC in their market. The system searches publicly available information about competing businesses, their websites, content, reviews, and other relevant sources. If you have ranking data, keyword reports, citation data, or analytics from another SEO tool, you can add those as sources and let Gemini analyze everything together. You add the client's current GMB profile and service area details as additional sources. Now you ask it to compare the available competitor research against the client's current presence and identify opportunities worth investigating. It can organize those findings into a prioritized action list with citations back to the sources it used. You ask it to generate a 30-day action plan as a spreadsheet, week 1 technical checks, week 2 citation builds, week 3 review generation strategy, week 4 content publishing schedule. That spreadsheet becomes the client deliverable. You charge $500 for the roadmap. The platforms doing this same research inside a paid SEO tool charge you monthly just to have access to that data. Here's another angle. A solo operator offering lead generation services needs to understand a prospect's current online presence before pitching them. You create a notebook, describe the research, competitive analysis for a specific business type in a specific city. Gemini Notebook researches their competitors and publicly available online presence, then helps identify content and visibility gaps. Add your own keyword or ranking data, and it can incorporate that into the analysis too. Or think about a freelancer building custom knowledge bases for businesses. A client needs their team trained on a new service offering, but does not have time to read through 50 pages of internal documentation. You upload the docs to Gemini Notebook, add a few industry benchmark sources the system finds autonomously, then ask it to generate a slide deck summarizing the key points with citations back to the original material. That is a $300 deliverable. Most knowledge management platforms bundle this capability inside plans that cost more per month than your client is paying you. Your version runs for free. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. The 435 mistake course is linked in the description, normally $197, but viewers of this video get it for under $30. This is the course that walks you through the exact pricing structure that stops deals from stalling out before you even send the proposal. Drop a comment and let me know if you are grabbing it. I want to see who is in. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here is what that looks like in practice. A solo operator lands a call with a dentist who wants more appointment bookings from local search. Before the call, they create a Gemini notebook and describe the research outcome. Competitive SEO analysis for dental practices in that specific zip code. The system researches relevant competitors and publicly available sources, then organizes the findings around opportunities in the prospect's current online presence. If the operator has keyword or ranking data, they can add it as another source for Gemini to analyze. The operator asks it to generate a 2-page PDF with 3 immediate action items the dentist can take in the next 30 days. They show up to the call with that PDF already built. The dentist sees their name, their competitors' names, and specific keyword opportunities they are missing, with the recommendations grounded in and cited back to the research sources. The operator closes a $500 a month retainer on that call. The research took them 30 minutes. The platforms charging for this same capability cost more per month than the operator just earned in their first client payment. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is. The output format that makes everything you just saw look like a professional deliverable every time. When you finish your research session in Gemini Notebook, do not just export the raw answers. Ask the system to structure the research like a professional client report with clear section headers, prioritized recommendations, and citations. Now imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this running in your stack. Every prospect call starts with research you did not have to manually compile. Every pitch deck includes competitor data you did not have to hunt down across 10 different tabs. Every client deliverable gets built faster because the tool is sourcing and organizing the information autonomously. That is the leverage you get when you stop paying the subscription tax and start using free infrastructure to do the same job. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.